video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is one nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. There are some offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. By commenting, we will help you. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property.